Hi, welcome to the FCST News Time. I'm Peter. Virginia was funded $3 million investment to expand its smart, fast, and reliable fiber-rich network. This expansion will extend the company's high-performance Ethernet, Internet, and advanced voice solutions, among other services, to more than 250 businesses and organizations in the areas. This investment comes on the heels of $28 million region-wide network expansion project, which was completed in June 2022 and connected nearly 3,000 additional businesses across 5 areas in America, capable of delivering speeds up to 1.2 gigabits per second or more for small and medium-sized businesses and up to 100 gigabits for larger enterprises. The largest network expansion will support the ability to bring new customers online quickly with advanced services, including fast business Wi-Fi, cybersecurity solutions, 4G LTE backup, business TV, and more.